I am resigning from my office in government to focus my energy on contesting for the seat of governor of the county, the great county of Kericho in August 9, 2022 elections. I have the vision and commitment and will pursue a development agenda that will grow the economy of the great county of Kericho in improving the livelihood of my community and transform Kericho to become a model of success. My leadership skills as at the cabinet level, my long political experience and vast knowledge of my people and home places me in the best position to lead the transformation of the Kericho County into a center of devolved success. I wish to sincerely thank His Excellency the President for according me an opportunity to serve in his cabinet since 2015, when he nominated me to join his government. With a lot of humility, I want to reiterate my appreciation to the President for the honor bestowed on me. With diligence, commitment, and determination, I serve as Cabinet Secretary for Energy and Petroleum until 2018, when I was reappointed to the energy portfolio. During my tenure, tremendous increase electricity access over 75% was realized. There was also generation rose to 2,912 megawatts, and the construction of the high voltage transmission lines were recorded for the last 9 years.